Okay, this is my second political broadcast. Darren of Plymouth here. Darren Denslow. People know my name now. I'm out in the rain, bloody climate change. I'm also at Sir John Hawkins Square, which appears to have disappeared off Google Maps. I've just checked. It's not there, which I think is illegal. And behind me, if I just get the camera, there you go, right above my head, that's where his street name is supposed to be. Now, it's been nearly 3 years since the Black Lives Matter riots. There were riots that were managed by the police and allowed by the police. And it still hasn't been put back up. There's been an ongoing legal battle to try and get this name put up, which was taken down illegally and not in accordance with Plymouth City Council procedures. You are not allowed to take street names down because it can present like a health and safety issue. You know, imagine if I collapse now, one of those cases of sudden death, and then someone needs to get an ambulance, they wouldn't know where to direct the ambulance to, for example. So I'm standing in the St. Peter and Waterfront ward. This is where Sir John Hawkins Square is, and one of my main ambitions, if elected, is to ensure that not only this street name behind me gets returned to its rightful place. So Sir John Hawkins being an absolute Plymouth hero. He built this city. He was also a slave trader. In fact, it says it right here that he was a slave trader. So we've got the information here that's needed to give two sides of the story. Great British hero who defeated the Spanish Armada. He led the fleet out to take them on. Was also involved in the Atlantic slave trade. Happened 400 years ago. None of our business. I never owned a slave. Did you?